Picture this, a sunny day in Port Charlotte, and there's you, eyeing that mountain of "I'll deal with it later." But then, your neighbors start together, and instead of the usual chit-chat, they break into song. Why stress over mess, when there's an easy fix? Big Dawg Dumpsters, with just a call, they mix simplicity with affordability, a driveway dumpster without the typical hassle or cost. No more clutter, no despair, Big Dawg's here with care to spare. In Port Charlotte, they're the flair. Just away goes trouble, leaving you with space, oh so double. Streaming, dreaming, no more screaming at the sight of mess. Big Dawg's on your team, making cleanup a dream, with just one call to address. So if it's time to clean your nest, remember Big Dawg is the best. With just one call, and a price so small, they'll put your clutter stress to rest. For the best driveway dumpster Port Charlotte cost, and service that'll make you boast, call Big Dawg Dumpsters at 743-244-3294 or visit our website at bigdawgfl.com, and let us help you make the most.